Well, it's joke time. Harold is 95 and he lives in a senior citizen retirement community. Every night after dinner, Harold goes to a secluded garden behind the rec center to sit and ponder his accomplishments and his long life that he's been enjoying. One evening, Mildred, and she is 87 years old, she wanders into the garden. They begin to chat, and before they know it, several hours have passed, and they've truly enjoyed each other's company. After a short lull in their conversation, Harold turns to Mildred and asks, "Do you know what I miss most of all from being younger?" She asks, "What?" "Sex," he replies. Mildred just starts laughing. She yells out, "Why, you old fart. You couldn't get it up if I held a gun to your head." "I know," Harold says, "but man, it would be nice if a woman could just hold it for a while." "Well," Mildred says, "I can oblige." And then she unzips his trousers and removes his manhood and proceeds to hold it. Afterwards, they agree to meet secretly each night in the garden, where they would sit and talk, and Mildred would hold on to him, if you know what I mean. Then one night, Harold didn't show up at their usual meeting place. Mildred, quite concerned, decided, I need to go find him and make sure he's okay, because in the senior citizen retirement community, if somebody doesn't show up for breakfast or something, there could be a problem. So she walks around the senior citizen home, where she finds him sitting by the pool with Ethel, another female resident. Only Ethel was sitting beside him, holding his manhood. Furious, Mildred starts screaming, "You two-timing son of a bitch! What does Ethel have that I don't have?" Old Harold just leaned back and smiled happily and said, "Ethel, Parkinson's." Well, my goal tonight Sorry, I'm trying to get my harness situated. I don't know how this thing gets so tangled. And yes, I know you can't see what I'm talking about, but trust me, it gets tangled. Back to what I was saying. My goal this evening, it's Friday after work. There's a couple apartment complexes that I run dumpsters on, so I'm gonna do that tonight. My goal is to make a shorter video than Scrapping DMK style did. He beat me the other night. You know, I had, name of mine was, I could have went scrapping with a bike and a basket. Didn't get that much. It was quick. But apparently his was quicker, and he got more crap than I got. So he got good scrap. Well, hopefully we'll find something worthwhile, but it may just be 30 dumpster stops of nothing. My goal is to come in under that 7-minute mark. Now it's a competition. What I'm shooting for. So we'll see how it goes. Well, let's stop at dumpster numero uno. Might be something, might be something. There's a big nasty mattress in there. I mean nasty too. It's a unicorn. Does the street continue? Or does it come to a halt? Well, somebody put the brakes on. It stopped. Well, we got a lot of more dumpsters to look at, so let's just keep going. That's really a thing. Is there a lot of dumping that goes on these things? And nothing. I know one thing, that was a rough looking dumpster on the bottom. And by the way, in case you don't know, my new Mascot, he came, he was wrapped up in a Ford seat cover. His name is Scrappernackle. He seems a little effeminate to me, but you know, that's okay, right? Yeah, Scrappernackle. Nice guy. Well, you think we're gonna find anything? Okay. Alright. So far, that unicorn is 1 for 1. Anything? Nothing? Something? Ooh. I will take that though. Part of a stove. Are we going to find something in this one? We'll see. Empty. Empty, empty, empty. Empty. Check this one. I really don't see anything wrong with these. Feelers. That nice shoe. Kind of small. We'll see. So there's several dumpsters to hit here, so and the odds increase unless you run into, you know, treat me like a fool, that kind of crap. Nothing. I swear, man, I'm gonna find one of these emptied, bring my guitar, because the acoustics in those things are awesome. I just don't know how people are going to respond to walking up to put their trash out. There's somebody sitting in the dumpster playing a guitar. You watching? Not you, that kid come around the corner on his bike and his eyes got big as saucers just in. Onward. You know, the bad thing is trash has been picked up here. There, so y'all can see what I see. And it's not cold outside. You know, if it's like 40 degrees, that cuts down on the looky-loos. Y'all stay here while I check it out. You know what? That was as empty as your ex's soul right there. That was as empty as a broken piggy bank. Empty as the promise of course I love you. Just kiss it. In other words, I'm saying it's empty. Well, there's a few more things in here. I don't know how much of them are metal variety, but might be something. It's heavy. And that's metal. Oh, we got something. Onward. Oh. Okay, it's going to require a little digging around here, I think. Wire. Bring Harry out just in case. I don't know why I hooked into that. Really. All I'm looking for. Like a deer lamp. Is that what I think that is, fellas? Yes. Few things. More wire. Every little bit helps, doesn't it? Let's close. Getting the wire off to a rousing start. For sure. I may not come in under my 7 minutes. Seems like I'm having a little bit of luck here. What's going on? That's kind of dusty right there. There's one lone outlaw goose. You want to try me? You don't want to know this. Why are you walking over this way? Don't start none. There won't be none. And that goose is mad dogging me. He's a little pissed. Not dog, I just got a big strong whiff of cologne. And it's coming from in here. Yeah, somebody threw away some cologne. Wait a minute. That folds open like it's a or it used to be. Used to be a sewing machine, but the guts are missing now. Holy, that smells like cologne in there. Whew. It's all the way out here. Sorry, Scrapper Knuckle. You're not a Chevy guy. There's some cookies in here. Somebody wants them. Well, a little something, something. Well, I don't know what that is, but it's a lot of plastic. So, we'll cut bait on that one. I'll take the cord though. Next. Well, there's something. I think I can reach it. A little something, something. You know, I just got dumpster juice on me. I don't know why, I'm just wearing one glove. Must be a fashion thing. And that's the stuff I picked up Wednesday night. The stuff that's bungeed up there. That was weak. Rotors, and there's tonight. Nice little toolbox there. Let's go through that, make sure there's no tools in there I might need. And well organized trash. Bravo, folks, bravo, good job. Oh, you know, my leg has been bothering me. But I swear, getting up off the couch and walking to the kitchen, I'm of an age now, I think that physical exertion could blow out my ACL. Not a striking out here. Got 2 more to go. That's it. It might be a short video. I just might beat DMK style scrapper. Scrapping DMK style. Well, got one here. Then I got one more, and that's pretty much it. There is a stove Speaking of which, and there's remnants of a stove. That can go with the drawer of the stove I got. You know, if I keep finding bits and pieces, I could probably make a stove. I think Harry's having a field day. Bits and pieces here and there. A little bit everywhere. Onward. The last Mohican. And nada. Nothing. Zip. Zilch. Zero. Zero dinero. All right. Well, what's interesting, I made this run right after work. It is 7 o'clock and it's starting to get a little dark. And I haven't done this in a while, so probably need to do it. Let's do, I don't know, 15 seconds of bad life choices. Think about all the things you've done in your life, career-wise, relationship-wise, food-wise, hold my beer-wise. You know, the only thing I had going for me growing up is there wasn't no camera phones around. See all the stupid crap I did. But this is your moment. Do a little self-meditation. See how serene the water is. Ducks are frolicking. And you made some really bad choices. But there's always tomorrow. And you can make some more bad choices. Rick's mother-in-law. Ain't right. See, I screwed it up right out of the gate. I'm going to start this over again. Pretend like that never happened. Amy's mother-in-law stops by unexpectedly to the couples that, Jesus Christ, man. It's like I don't have a grasp of the English language. Amy's mother-in-law stops by their house unexpectedly and uninvited and knocks on the door, and then she just immediately walks in. She's shocked to see her daughter-in-law lying on the couch totally naked. "What are you doing?" she asks. "I'm waiting for Jeff to come home from work," the daughter-in-law answered. "But you're naked," the mother-in-law screams. "This is my love dress," the daughter-in-law explained. "Love dress? But you're naked." The mother-in-law, on the way home, starts thinking about the concept of the love dress. So when she gets home, she gets undressed, she showers, she puts on her best perfume, and expectantly waits for her husband to come home while she's laying provocatively on the couch. Finally, her husband comes home. He walks in and sees her naked on the couch. "What are you doing?" he asks. "This is my love dress," she whispers. He said, "Well, it needs ironing. What's for dinner?" Yeah, don't worry, Scrappernackle. I've got someplace I can send you where you'll be cared for.
Asshole.